Hi everyone, I'm Lillian, and today I'll be reviewing Marley's Positive Vibration Frequency headphones for Best Buy Canada's blog. I spent around a week with these headphones. I took them on my city walks, I took them to the gym, and I also took them to my favorite cafe. On top of all of that, I of course also spent some time lounging around with them at home. So in this review, I'll be going over the fit, sound quality, and functions of these headphones. And I'll also share what I love most about them. And just a little hint, it has to do with their very clever design. So these headphones are now available at Best Buy, and if you want to explore them for yourself, be sure to click on the link in the description box below. Now let's get into the review. So when you open the box by sliding this part off, and then flipping open this box like so, the first thing you'll see is a Marley pouch. Then underneath that, you'll have the headphones themselves. I actually already unpackaged this several days ago, but these headphones originally came wrapped in some tissue paper that had the Marley logo printed on it, which was a nice touch. And then inside the box is also a charging cable. Now, if you're looking for the manual and the warranty, they're actually inside the pouch. So I was quite surprised when I was using the pouch one day and then they just kind of fell out of there. So there you go. So let's talk about the headphones themselves because they are the star of today's show after all. In terms of fit, you can adjust the headband on both sides of the headphone. All you have to do is push the ear cup upwards like so, or pull it down like so. Now, unlike other headphones on the market where you have to click or snap the adjustments into place, these adjustments are effortless. There's no clicking, there's no snapping. You just push and pull and stop wherever you want. And I find that this mechanism does a really good job of securing the band in place. Another cool thing about these headphones are these springs. So you see how when I tilt the ear cups inwards, they tilt with them. So this adds to that comfortable kind of effortless fit. Then the ear cups themselves are quite soft. I found them really comfortable, and you can see here how squishy they are. Then at the other side of the headphones, there is a little bit of padding at the top. And then at the very top, you'll see the Marley name printed on it. Another super cool thing about these headphones is that you can fold them. So look at this, check this out. Isn't this so cool? Like, this solves so many of my problems with transporting headphones. You know, when headphones are like this, it's very difficult to put them in your bag. I never know, should I put them at the side? Should I put them at the top? Where do they fit? You know, it's a very odd shape to have to pack away. And I find this design is just so clever. It's amazing. So in terms of functions, they're quite easy to operate. There are 3 buttons on one of the ear cups. The middle is for power, pause, and play. Hold the top button to move forward to the next track and the bottom one to return to a track. Now tap the top one to increase volume and the bottom one to decrease volume. I was also quite impressed with their sound quality. There was a precision to the sound with both the instrumentals and vocals, making me feel immersed in the music. I also found the sound quality adaptable to different genres of music. They gave an energizing sound experience. Now, I also really enjoyed using these for exercise. Here's me warming up. They felt quite comfortable around my ears, and they would also stay put. So overall, I really like these headphones. I love products that are designed with purpose, you know, products that are designed with functionality in mind. And I just think it's so clever the way these ear cups fold inwards. They make it so much easier for me to bring these guys around town. Now, aside from that, I'm also a big fan of how they look. I think they're gorgeous. They've got that sleek look that we see on a lot of headphones on the market today. But what makes them special are these little springs at the side, giving them a bit of a movement, you know, a feel of being in motion. And I think it makes the headphones look very hip. Now, I can definitely see myself reaching for them if I'm going to read at a cafe and I want to put on some music to zone out a little bit. I can also see myself reaching for them if I'm going on a long walk. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to check out Marley's Positive Vibration Frequency headphones for yourself, make sure you click on the link in the description box. Bye for now.